The Automatic Emergency Braking (AEB) with pedestrian detection system can assist the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with the vehicle ahead in the traveling lane or with a pedestrian. The AEB system uses a radar sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane and operates at speeds above approximately 3 miles per hour. The pedestrian detection system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to help detect pedestrians and is activated between speeds of 6 to 50 miles per hour. If so equipped, Intersection Assist can assist the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision while turning and operates at speeds between 6 and 16 miles per hour. The turn signal must be activated to detect a vehicle. However, it does not need to be activated to detect a pedestrian. If a risk of a forward collision with a vehicle is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a visual indicator along with an audible alert. If a risk of a forward collision with a pedestrian is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing indicator along with an audible alert. If the driver does not take action, the system issues a second visual and audible warning and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision with the vehicle ahead becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. Depending upon the circumstances of the situation, the system may not eliminate the possibility of a collision, but may reduce the severity of a collision.